Danny and you're watching Danny and Julie Wonderlab. So today I have this lovely surprise for you. Kinex control crane, and guess what? It even has a motor. Now let's open it and see what it contains. Okay, first we have this string. I think the string will be this. Another yellow thing. This long stick. All these pieces, like 817 pieces. We have this. The instructions, of course. And this, I think it's the motor. There's one more thing. Yeah. Let's see what the instructions tell us to start. Okay, it says install batteries before building models. So we have to open this packet here. Insert the batteries, and now let's put it on the side because I think we will need it at the end. So now let's turn page over. There's a lot to build. We need all these pieces, so we have a special assistant. I've got all the pieces to build this 4 times. The first one's done, and now we have 3 left. Of 1, 2, 3, and 4. So guys, we have to attach all these 4 pieces together. This will go here and this will go here. The second step is done. The base.
This should be the base, and these yellow things look like lasers.
Now, let's go on the third step.
Done.
I think step 5 is very hard.
Yes, it already kind of seems so hard. Look how many pieces we need.
Done. And now let's see where we have to put this. And this will go here. And then let's stick them. I think we're building a support for the motor. Step 7 looks really hard, but not for me. This is what it looks like now.
Now you have to go on step 8.
Look, they both turn.
When you move this, even this one turns.
When we turn this, our wheel turns.
That's amazing.
We have to place this big wheel. I'm building the pole where the big yellow wheel that Julie's holding will be.
Right.
Let's put this more up. Go. Let's put it together.
Yes.
Look, this is connected.
Oh.
This black bit has to go in the other yellow's hole. It's all connected. From here to here. There we go.
Then shall we share?
Yes. This handle will turn this part.
And this handle will turn this part. It's so nice.
Okay. This turns.
This turns.
Our glue is done. I'm going to show you how it works. This makes it go forward and backwards.
Shall I get this?
This makes it turn around. And when you press the switch here, this goes up or down. So now I'm going to
Grab things.
try it.
And what am I?
Wow.
After I'm so curious to try it.